Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angela here, what it do? And today y'all, I have a small little Coach unbagging. So if you want to see what I got, then keep on watching. Alright y'all, real quick. So I went to Coach. Just doing too much, okay? I didn't go there to buy this, okay? So, you know, the new NOLITAs came out and my store didn't have them. So my store finally got it. I ordered it. I had mine sent to store and I went and got mine at the store. No problem. So, y'all, today I wore earth tones. Let me see. So I have on brown and some, y'all can't even see. Right here, some green shorts and a brown top or whatever, right? So I was just like, I need a green bag. And I did not want to carry my Andy. Hold on. So I did not want to carry my Andy because I wanted something that was closed at the top. Even though this has a magnetic closure, I wanted something closed. And I forgot about this one. This is green, like a forest green. I forgot about this one, but it was too deep for me anyway, right? So my bag of choice for today was this one, my little Steve Madden Army Fatigue. I love this bag, y'all. It's such a great carry. I love it. You can carry it top handle if you want. You can crossbody it. I love, love, love this bag. And it went great. I wore some brown and gold Tory Burch sandals. So it was a whole vibe, right? So like I said, I went and I picked up the NOLITA. I bought the NOLITA and this because this is on sale. That's why I got this. And I got to the light. I was satisfied, right? I got to the light and I was just like, why do I have something that's similar in size to the NOLITA that I keep forgetting about? Like, for whatever reason, I keep forgetting about this bag that I love, but I forget about it. So I was like, do I really need the NOLITA? Even though I love NOLITAs, do I need it? And I was like, no, what we're not going to do is hoard or have multiple things in the same, you know, like size. So let me show you the bag that I keep forgetting about. It's this. It's this mini Rowan. I don't know why I keep forgetting that I have this. I mean, it's not a NOLITA, but you know, in like length or whatever, it's similar. The NOLITA is the hardware on it is silver. This hardware is gold. I'm more of a gold person anyway, but I keep forgetting about this bag. So I turned around and I took the NOLITA back. Do I kind of regret it? A little bit, a little bit that I regret taking it back, but I don't want to hoard my space. So if I can't get the NOLITA out of my mind, I'll go back and repurchase it in this green. But I think for right now, I'm fine with this, okay? Alright y'all, so let me show you real quick what I got. It's just one thing, but I have been watching this. And y'all know I'm bougie cheap. I didn't want to pay the $200. So this is the bag that I got. I got the silver and black. This is called the Badlands Diamond Quilted Rowan. Y'all, this bag is so freaking beautiful to me. Like, get into this. I've always thought the Rowans was too big for me, but this bag, when I saw it, I was just like, yes. I thought I was going to get the purple one, the mist color one. Y'all know I'm more of like a classic type person. And to me, this should be in black. For me, it should be in black. Y'all, has the silver hardware. Like, this bag is absolutely beautiful, y'all. It was on, all Rowans are $149. So I was like, yeah, as long as it's not $200, so yeah. It's like that. This bag stayed at $200. So when I was able to get it today for $149, I was like, yes, y'all, this bag is absolutely beautiful. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love this, and I already have plenty black accessories to go with this, so yay for me. I love this. I love it. It has the zipper on the back. I love this. I so love it with the feet. So yeah. Alright y'all, so that concludes my small little haul and return story. If you all enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all later.